अमरावती शहराच्या मध्यभागी वसलेली शासकीय विदर्भ ज्ञान विज्ञान संस्था VMV कॉलेज ज्ञान, परंपरा आणि प्रज्ञेचा एक जिवंत वारसा आहे. Heritage whispers through its colonial architecture and dreams walk freely across its green campus. From the silent wisdom of its grand library to the vibrant energy of its classrooms, VMV is not just a college, it's a legacy. या गौरवशाली परंपरेत एक तेजस्वी अध्याय जोडतो VMV कॉलेजचा इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट. 7 strong permanent faculties, knowledgeable, passionate and committed. They don't just teach literature, they shape minds, nurture creativity and ignite passion. And from this very department was born an idea, a kalpana, an innovative celebration of literature and performance, the Shakespearean contest. विलियम शेक्सपियर ज्याने मानवी भावना, संघर्ष, प्रेम आणि नियती शब्दात अमर केले. All the world's a stage and at VMV we allow our students to truly live on that stage. शेक्सपियरच्या जन्मदिनी म्हणजेच शेक्सपियरचा बर्थडे दरवर्षी हा अनोखा उपक्रम साजरा केला जातो. Not just as competition but as a festival of expression, language and imagination. या स्पर्धेची रचना आहे 4 टप्प्यात. पहिला टप्पा enactment round, where students bring Shakespeare's characters alive, performing scenes from its immortal plays. पुढील 3 फेऱ्यांमध्ये their understanding, interpretation and love for literature is tasted through questions. Every deserving performer is celebrated. Every effort is rewarded because here participation itself is growth. Through this contest, students gain confidence, discover their hidden talents and learn to follow their passion. ही केवळ स्पर्धा नाही, ही एक जर्नी आहे of self-discovery. And now, we stand proudly in 2026, celebrating the 4th successful chapter of the Shakespearean contest. 4 years of creativity, 4 years of dedication, 4 years of inspiring young minds. VMV College, English Department and Shakespeare हे एकत्र घेऊन विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी एक मंच उभा करतात जिथे लिटरेचर breathes and talent shines. Because at VMV, we don't just study Shakespeare, we live him. And now, as we step into 2026, celebrating the 4th successful chapter of Shakespearean contest, this year too, we warmly welcome you to participate. साहित्य आणि जीवनाच्या या उत्सवात शब्द, रंगमंच आणि कल्पनाशक्तीचा हा सोहळा महान शेक्सपियरच्या स्मृतीत साजरा करूया. Come, be a part of this celebration of literature and life in the memory of the great Shakespeare.